Picture yourself at a museum. At the entrance, you will notice self-guided and scheduled tours with curated narratives about the exhibition. And all items on display have a short description. Objects are often organized by time period, location, material, or some sort of theme that helps you as a visitor put those artifacts into a wider historical context. Is it a coincidence? No, not quite. You see, in archaeology, for example, artifacts without context lose 95% of their value. If we don't know the stories behind the objects, we cannot reconstruct historical records or reveal the artifacts' associations to each other and the site. How does that happen? Well, when artifacts are taken out of the context, for their visual appeal and attractiveness, their history is erased. Context spreads far beyond archaeology and museums, and also applies to the world of UX. Let's think about your user experience artifacts. Journey maps, storyboards, different personas and wireframes. Without context, how do you know what are you looking at? What is the story connecting those artifacts to each other? How would somebody know the story after the project is over or once the team who worked on it has moved on? Think back to the museum example. One would feel much more engaged and appreciate the significance of each piece if they know the story behind it. The same way a ceramic bowl might show the ancient trade routes, an early prototype can record your design process and the context for important design decisions. To make sure your UX artifacts are not just a pile of looted shiny objects, make sure to connect your UX methods to storytelling and show how individual artifacts relate to one another. For example, why not use a storytelling template? A template provides structure to your story and might help your audience build further understanding of the current state, consequences, and solutions based on the artifacts you share. The main point is to situate artifacts in a context through storytelling and position yourself as a curator of your UX artifacts.